So if remove.bg is not downloading your image in 2026, yeah, like the background gets removed but the download button doesn't work, don't worry. This is a common issue and usually easy to fix. First, just click the download button again. Sometimes it's a temporary glitch and the second attempt works instantly. Next, make sure your internet is stable. If your connection drops, the file may not download properly even after processing. Now check your browser extensions. Ad blockers or download managers can sometimes block the file from saving. If it still doesn't work, switch to another browser like Chrome or Edge. Some browsers handle downloads more reliably than others. Next, try right-clicking the image and selecting Save Image As. This can bypass the normal download button. Now make sure your device has enough storage space and permission to save files. Low storage can silently block downloads. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. These can sometimes interfere with file downloads from remove.bg. Finally, try incognito mode or switch to your phone. If it works there, the issue is likely your browser settings. And that's it. One of these fixes should get your remove.bg downloads working again without any issues.